Hi there, my name is Connor Curran. I'm one of the co-owners of Local Laundry. We're a Canadian-made clothing company that builds community in everything that we do. October 19th, we are having a Top Chef style charitable competition, which I'm really looking forward to. I'm going to be paired with a professional chef. I'm going to be cooking a delicious meal for three, and in order to win the hearts of the judges and also to raise the most money for Carya. I think mental health matters because it affects everyone impartially. It doesn't matter who you are, where you come from, what your background is, how much money you have, what your job is. It doesn't care about that. It affects you no matter what. And I think it's something that for a long time wasn't talked about, wasn't discussed, and for a lot of people it wasn't a priority and wasn't top of mind. And one good thing came out of the pandemic is that mental health has become okay to talk about. Mental health has been a massive, massive thing for me personally, and for my friends and family, especially as a small business owner. Money is at top of mind, and it's a massive stressor for everyone right now. And mental health, your mental well-being shouldn't be pushed to the side. And the more services out there that can reach the most amount of people, I think benefits everyone. So, some people might think it's a competitive edge. I can guarantee you it's not. My parents own a restaurant. The furthest I got in the restaurant was a dish pit. I'll never forget one time I invited my wife, who was my girlfriend at the time, over to my parents' house. I was gonna cook this big chicken dinner, put the chicken, raw chicken in the oven. Dinner's at 8, told everyone dinner's at 8, and it wasn't near enough till midnight when the bird was finally cooked enough that we could eat. I'm not the best cook, but I guarantee I cook with the most heart and the most love. We'll see if that translates to the plate on the day of. I'm most excited the day of, Got a good look at who the competitors are. It is a tough field of competition. A lot of passion, a lot of skills, a lot of personality. I'm looking forward to bumping elbows in the kitchen, getting a little greasy, getting a little hot and heavy. It's gonna be all good fun. We're gonna have a great time. We're gonna learn together, grow together. Most importantly, we're gonna raise awareness and amazing funds for an incredible organization. First of all, you got any cooking tips? Send them my way, because I'll need all the help I can get. But also, support our page, with a financial donation. Our page, my competitors' pages. At the end of the day, it is a competition, but at the end of the day, it all goes to a great cause. It all goes to the same place, and it all goes to helping those in need with something that is massively important and should be a top priority for everyone. So, thank you for supporting, but definitely donate to my page. Look out, because Chef Connor is coming for you, and he's bringing the heat. He's sharpening his knives. And let me tell you, the cream always rises to the top. Okay? And Chef Connor takes no prisoners. None. See you in the kitchen. And if you can't handle the heat, get out of the kitchen.